Hello and welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. Today I am going to share a recipe, but the recipe is not mine. I have this Dawaat Biryani kit and I prepared the Lucknowi biryani. They have two more variants, that is Kolkata and Hyderabad, but I choose the Lucknowi biryani. Inside this there are ingredients like basmati rice and then Burhani Raita. I love the taste. I made the chicken Lucknowi biryani. So the procedure I will definitely show you. And what else you can do? Madhurima's kitchen. It's up to you. YouTube, Insta and Facebook page. So you know what you have to do. Let's go for the cooking. Time to unboxing. So the biryani kit, whatever I have, let me see. Burhani Raita mix, biryani masala paste. Recipe card, follow the recipe. Akhni or whole garam masala and the basmati rice. Prepare the Burhani Raita with curd and the given Burhani masala. Wash and soak the basmati rice. Cook the chicken with biryani masala paste given with the kit, following the recipe. And if you are a vegetarian, then you follow with the paneer or sabji, whatever you want. Chicken is cooking properly. Chicken is done and keep aside. Now time to prepare the rice, the basmati rice, as in the instruction. Akhni water is prepared, so now it's time to cook the basmati rice. Rice is done. Now next step. Time to prepare some beresta. Beresta is prepared properly. Time to assemble the chicken and biryani rice properly. Just follow the recipe card with the kit. I can say dum laga ke hai Isha. So the biryani is already done and ready to serve the Lucknowi dum biryani.